Elektrisch rijden is niet meer weg te denken en wordt steeds belangrijker in onze mobiliteit. Maar het opladen kent nog uitdagingen. Wat deze zijn en hoe deze op te lossen zijn, bespreken we met James van InductEV.
Challenges for EV charging are generally around time. So the vehicle needs to be plugged in, idling overnight, and for a personal car, driving it to work, driving it back, that's perfectly fine. But for fleet operators, for industrial applications, this time is very valuable to them. The solution to these problems tends to be found in the new innovations around charging technology. So higher power charging or new types of charging apparatus that enable them to solve this utilization problem. One of those technologies is wireless charging. When your vehicle comes into its parking area, it could be a transfer area or a bus stop, then it's receiving power within 2 seconds of arrival. And then these small areas of idle time, could be 30 seconds, could be 5 minutes, that vehicle is receiving a sizable amount of energy back into its battery and then continues its operating cycle for the rest of the day without the need for being tied up. But it's also something which enables operators to save space. There's no need for a charging pole and wires next to the vehicle that can be off to the side somewhere. So it's much easier for the vehicle to come into the charging area, receive power, no risk of damages and these kind of issues. So it solves a number of problems for the fleet operator who are trying to maximize their vehicle utilization.
Draadloos opladen biedt dus een veelbelovende oplossing voor de uitdagingen van elektrisch rijden. Maar hoe werkt het precies? Gabriel legt het ons uit.
We have the pad that goes in the ground, we have the receiver pad that goes in the vehicle, and we have the cabinet that generates power. And with this power, we can create an 85 kilohertz magnetic field and have power transfer through the air gap with inductive charging. We're constantly monitoring the temperatures, the coupling, and the power transfer. And this is through full duplex inductive communication. So in the case of any failures, we can shut off in a safe and reliable way, and also in a fast way.
We hebben gehoord wat draadloos laden is en hoe het werkt. Maar hoe bevalt het in de praktijk?
It's very convenient. It's very easy. I don't have to go out to put the cable into the car and so on. And also I don't have to wait in the other charging places when you need a cable. Because, you know, people, they think they own it sometimes. Yes. And especially in the winter, of course, we have to charge more.
The system is very easy to retrofit and integrate into a vehicle. It's basically 4 connection points we need to consider. It's the cooling, which splices into the existing vehicle cooling system. We have the high voltage for charging the battery. We have the low voltage for communication. And then we have the FOD cameras, the thermal cameras for safety. In this project, there's been a fleet of 20 vehicles. And these 20 vehicles has run 5 million kilometers. This is 120 laps around the world. And it's charged 9,000 charge events with 100% uptime. And we can see the future with taxis going more and more autonomous. We're talking about robo-taxis now. But we also see it already in different applications, in mining applications, with trucks, with bus, material handling. It's all going autonomous. And with autonomous vehicles, you need also an automatic charging. And therefore we will see more and more wireless applications in the future.